Hi, my name is Sally Sampson. Welcome to my channel, which is dedicated to making you a more impactful communicator. Today, we're going to talk about how to say one of the hardest words in the English language. No. 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 Seems like I can say it fine. Do I really need to make a video about this?
Remember that time you were asked to come out with your friends and you did even though you were exhausted?
Well, yeah, but...
How about that time you helped your friend from work with that thing even though you were struggling to meet your own deadlines?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
You didn't even want to order that extra teriyaki sauce when you ordered sushi last night. And why is that?
Because I didn't know how to say no.
Exactly.
This is why I need this video just as much as you. So, what do you do when someone asks you something and you don't know how to say no? Number one, ask yourself, what do I want? This is so simple, yet so many of us don't do it. Yeah, for sure, I understand. I'll just have whatever they're having.
So that'll be vegetable noodles extra spicy?
Yeah. This is particularly true of people pleasers. They will try to accommodate everyone else in the room without ever consulting themselves. What do you want? Is this suitable to your schedule? What are the consequences of saying yes or saying no? If you're unsure, take a breath and ask for some time before you have to give an answer. But never skip this step. Always check in with yourself first. Number two, keep your answer short, to the point, and non-apologetic. One of my favorite things and a huge light bulb moment for me was when I heard Shonda Rhimes talk with Oprah on Super Soul Sunday about how no is a complete sentence. That alone helped me forgive her for okaying so many deaths on Grey's Anatomy. Like, McDreamy? Seriously? Why? You don't have to make excuses and you don't have to apologize for saying no. Just say it and own it. You can also practice different ways of saying no. I will not be able to do that right now. No, that's not something I can do. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No is a complete sentence. Don't forget it. Number three, always remind yourself that saying no doesn't make you a bad person. This point is so important because so many of us, and particularly women, have been conditioned to always be nice and always be available. We think that by saying no, we are disappointments. Not that we're disappointing someone, that we are disappointments. We make it our identity. The truth is, when you start to say no, you may lose some people. Some people may not like you anymore, but you will honor yourself. And the people that fall away aren't your people anyway. Walk down the door. Your real circle will respect your boundaries. So reprogram yourself and remind yourself that saying no is your right. And saying no doesn't mean you suck. And you heard it right here, from me. And me! Right. I hope you enjoyed the contents of this video. Remember, as always, there's a free PDF below for you with a summary of everything I talked about. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you're looking to take your education further, I would love to be of service. You can just visit this link right here and you can message me and let's see how we can make you a better communicator. And as always, I'm rooting for you. Hello? Oh. No. Thank you.